I want to make one historical moment. I'll speak in English for one reason. Before I do anything, before I say anything, I want to tell the truth as it is. For the last time and for all, before the new really dawn begins in South Africa. Nyelizwa. Siyakalala manje. Akhale. Into ngisho nje. Ngiyabonga kakhulu unobhala. Asolonke uThamathule. Ngibonge kusihlalo weprovince. Umongezi uMpokothwala. uDlamini. Bashayela inhlombe inzoze endaweni inzoze endabathi. Inhlabathi esigqoke kuyona iyahlonishwa usiko isholo lakwaZulu. Bashayela inhlombe. Amakhawu endawo lawakithi. Umongezi, provincial chair, bezokuzoba insizwa. Umashala uMpokothlamini mkamnumzane omkhulu. Before I say anything, I'm not gonna be long. I'm here to entertain and to enjoy the speech of the president. Julius Malema. Ngithi ngapha kwethu. Malema ngaka ngambona ngelinye ilanga. Emcimbini ngimbone kude nje. Kodwa angazi ngimkhawule lokho ngazalwa. The inspiration I have in politics and in discipline and fearless is because of him. If he can teach and encourage the person that is in the same age as his, how much more to the young generation? The majority of South Africa, they always say, I'm doing this because my forefathers did. I'm doing this because my father said. But I'm doing this because my brother, Julius Malema, has been fearful, has been encouraged, and been fearless. He goes corners and speak with them and allow them to manipulate him. But when he sees us, and when he sees the camera, he sees you, he sees the community, he sees the the feet on the ground. That's why today I'm going to allow Malema to call him to meet the president of the Big Nation in KwaZulu-Natal here on stage. And I want to do this, you young people, in the historical day of the youth in South Africa, the president of the Big Nation in KwaZulu-Natal, in Durban, the fearless leader and the fearless freedom fighter, in one stage, history has been made. How can you fail in 2024? Zakwana manje. Julius Malema, you are 7 age as mine. You have done a lot in this country. Some of things you have done, we have celebrated. No, some of things you have done, we were not friendly with. But the majority of things you have done, we celebrated. You are the hero. Today, you are speaking to Vivian Kuhn. I'm shaking your hand for the first time in history. In the UK, this is what we are talking about 2000. You are talking about the 10 years celebration in FNB. But and then you are saying that 2024 is gonna be in 1994. No, I'm telling you, that is not gonna be only 1994. It's 76 as well. A historical moment for my life. I'm honored to meet you because the most of the things that I've said and encouraged and pursued in the political career, every contest of who we meet, where and how we do to parliament. You're the hero, and you are willing to sell your soul for South African soil. And I know that next year something's gonna happen about you and the EFF. Irregardless of what, you're the hero, and you're the hero. And now, there is no leadership in South Africa. There's only two people in this country, Julius Malema and Bishop Ngunu.